So hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how you'll be doing the Python deep learning programming, coding and exercises and all those things in your laptop. So let's get started. Just open your browser and type Anaconda, and you will be there in the first link, and you'll just see that Anaconda is the birthplace of Python data science. So that's a link you want to open. So just click on individual edition, then click on download, and it will take you to 3 different links. So for Windows users, just click on graphic installer and download this file and double click on it, and just follow the steps and Anaconda will be automatically installed. For Linux users, I'll be showing the Ubuntu installation guide. So I have actually prepared a list of steps which you need to follow. So first actually open your terminal, like Ctrl-Alt-T, and then just copy this line, which this text file will be like linked to the video description with this video. And so open the terminal and Ctrl-Shift-V, and you have to just press for the password. And as I have already installed these things, so it's really not installing some things. So in your computer it will install a lot more. And then click on this and copy this thing in your terminal also, and it will fetch the actual Anaconda software to your downloads or the temporary folder, and then execute this code bash and run that bash file, and it will just execute the steps which you need, and press on and follow the steps where you need to enter yes and enter, and so it will install. So now I will just for the step 4, if you really don't see this thing in your terminal, like I'm having this baseboard, right? Like this shows that Anaconda is activated in the terminal. So if I type conda deactivate, this base will disappear. Now the Anaconda functions, Anaconda commands will not work. Like if I do some Jupyter-Lab, yeah, command not found. Now suppose if you want to activate your Anaconda in your terminal, just type conda activate. Then this baseboard comes before your this $sign, and here if you type Jupyter-Lab, so it will open Jupyter-Lab on its own. Okay, so you can see here, so Jupyter-Lab is nothing but a lot of cells. So let's open this. So these are all the Python codes, and you press shift enter for suppose it's there, it's already written. You can just maybe type something else, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then press shift enter, and then it will just take you to the next line of code, next cell to be precise. So you can also add your cells in here, like it will add, and by like you can just press escape, then the cursor will disappear. Now press double D, it will delete the cells. Now there are a lot more tricks which I'll post in the upcoming videos, which will help you to get acquainted with the Jupyter Notebook. For Windows installers, for the Windows machines, you will be having something called Anaconda prompt. So just go into the start menu and just click on Anaconda prompt, and then something will appear like this. Not exactly like this. I mean, this is a terminal for the Ubuntu Linux. For you, the base will be already activated. I mean the Conda will already be activated, and just change your folders. Like this is really for both the Linux and Windows users. Let's say I want to open my Jupyter-Lab in my desktop folder. So just change the folder, maybe do some ls. I mean, the ls command in Windows is dir, that is dir, and then go to projects and then open Jupyter-Lab. Sorry, Jupyter-Lab. So it will open Jupyter-Lab in that folder only, that projects folder. Okay. It's really simple, really simple. For Windows users, there is another suggestion, like if you want to change your drive, let's say suppose you are in some C drive. Okay, so now how to change it to D drive? Just type this, it will open D drive. Okay, so that's it for this video, and you can roll on with Python deep learning. So the correct way to stop Jupyter-Lab is just go to file and shut down. Yeah, then this server will shut down and you will get back to your original Linux bash. Yeah, so that's it in this tutorial. And also maybe I will just show you Google Colab in the later video, and it is really awesome. Maybe we'll try to introduce Google Colab when it's really needed. And so this is the first step, and you are ready. Thank you.